ladies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. I am starting off very backwards. This vlog officially started a couple of weeks ago, so you're first going to see an H&M try on, which I'll insert the footage of now. Hi ladies, so here's a short little voiceover to get you through this try on. So there was a brief OOTD, and here we're getting into the try on. The two blazers I tried on were just way too loose fitting, very boxy and not flattering on me. I loved this pink textured dress, and it just made me really want to have an office job so I can dress up wearing cute dresses and heels. Then I tried on this pink satin, which you'll see in a moment, a pink satin top. I thought this was cute, but just wasn't very flattering. For my body, I thought the sleeves were a little bit too long, but I really liked that orange and cream houndstooth skirt, but a little bit too short. What do you think? Should I have got it? Let me know in the comments. So I'm done trying on. There was only one piece that I actually didn't put on because you kind of have to put it over your head, and I didn't want to risk getting makeup on it, and the zip is very short, so let's go. Now it is Saturday, which was yesterday, and we went out to celebrate my auntie's birthday, so you'll see that footage. Are you going to smile for the camera? Smile! So we came into the bookshop just to have a look for something for my younger cousins, and I came across this. Wow. If you're a Twilight fan, then comment below an apple emoji.
Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just came across these. So these are for palmistry. I guess they're like cards in here. and everyday magic from Magic Tricks. It looks really cool. Okay, we're heading out of here now. And today is Sunday and I did some shopping and some other things, so you're going to see that now. These two? Okay.
Yes, and the latest one, they're only a vetiver, but we don't have a tester.
Okay.
I have a sample, so
okay. And can I smell these two then as well? Thank you. I don't love this one.
Mandarin. Let me get the sample.
Thanks.
And that's Nerolia vetiver.
I don't like this. I think I prefer this one.
Mandarin.
Thank you. Around the world, and they wanted to encapsulate a scent for every country and place they've been to. Okay, so that sounds really nice actually. Hearing the backstory to it.
Oh, this one's my favorite one. This one is sweet.
It's a British brand. It's called Fragrance de Bois.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Ladies, look at the sparkles I managed to find. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Would you wear this? Just a really quick OOTD. I just changed. I was trying on this leather skirt, but it just looks way too bunched up at front. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, and my neutral bag and my pink coat. Yeah. Oh my goodness, how cute is this dress, but they didn't have my size. Oh my gosh, how cute is this skirt? This is actually the back and this is the front. I prefer the back with the pleats. Let me know what you prefer. Hi ladies, so I think that this might be a very weird start to the vlog, but yeah, I'm basically doing a little bit of shopping. Well, I'm trying to find something very specific that I've been unable to find. So yeah, the hunt continues, but I've been showing you a couple of things. We are going to go to Harrods now and have a look at the perfume. I really want to see what they have. They have something really sweet, something sexy, you know how I like to smell. So let's see if I can find something. By the way, I literally curled my hair. I took my time. I did it in the smallest sections and it's all dropped. I put a little bit of oil and it was way too heavy, so they've all dropped. That kind of sucks. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. Just going very much red and with some black detailing as well. My over-the-knee boots, I'm wearing these ones today, my low ones, because we are doing lots of walking and we are also going to a museum today. Why not? If I can be bothered. And then just my long pink waterfall coat. So let's go. We just left Harvey Nichols and now we're going to head this way to Harrods. I did check out the perfume counter in Harvey Nichols, but we're going to do it in Harrods and see if they have anything else. The perfume selection in Harrods was very similar to in Harvey Nicks, so I didn't show much vlog footage, but here are a few pictures of some scents that I really loved. As you ladies know, Mother's Day is coming up, so yeah, lots of chocolates. I'm having a look in the Harrods food hall for some yummy bits, and I think I might treat myself to something as well. We have these really lovely pre-packaged kind of pieces, but there are also small bits as well. This is classic. If you're from the UK, then you know about chocolate coins. This is classic, and Harrods have their own version. This is very nostalgic for me, actually. How cute is this?
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Hey, just checking in. So I just had a cup of tea and it was actually the wrong order, but I didn't even want to start. So I drank it and it was actually not too bad. It is so windy today, and yeah, I just want to get home, have something nice to eat. maybe a hot chocolate and get cozy and watch a Doris Day film. So that's the plan for me for the rest of this Sunday. When I was in Harvey Nichols, they're probably looking for the guy that I'm about to speak about now, the helicopter. But when I was in Harvey Nichols, I was dealing with a male sales assistant, and that was when I was trying on the black leather skirt. So he came to bring me something else, and in the end they didn't actually have it in my size, so I couldn't actually try it. But he was staring at my chest non-stop, and obviously I'm wearing this turtleneck, but it's really fitted and you can really see my shape with what I'm wearing. And he was just standing there, practically just literally staring at my chest. Some of these guys just don't care. But that was kind of tacky, and I couldn't wait to get out of there. But besides that, I mean, all good interactions, normal, I guess. And now we're towards the end of the vlog, and you're able to kind of catch up and see where I am now. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Sorry about the flashing, but these earrings are so cute. They're like studs with pearls and the Fendi F. Super, super cute.
To make happy, like, it's perfect.